Hybrid animals have long existed in the imagination, from the beast of Greek mythology to the creations of modern-day science fiction. But they also exist in real life in some rather unusual combinations and in some rather intimidating ones as well, as Vicky Mabry now reports.
At zoos and on safari, you can see all the big animals. Plenty of lions and tigers and zebras. Oh my! But you'll have to travel deep into the wilds of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to see this. This big guy is a liger. Yes, a liger. And trainer Doc Antle and his partner Rajani have the biggest one in the world.
This is Hercules, who is our liger boy, 900 pounds and 12 feet tall. He's a gigantic kid because he's a liger. Father lion, mother tiger makes him...
Father is a lion, mother is a tiger.
Makes him the liger.
That's a good boy.
Good boy.
For all you non-believers, they really do exist.
What are you drawing?
A liger.
As we learn from the film Napoleon Dynamite.
What's a liger?
It's pretty much my favorite animal. It's like a lion and a tiger mixed. Bred for its skills and magic.
Hercules!
Come on, you big dog.
Hercules!
You are ready. You must be one hungry dog, huh? You are a good boy. Stretch him out, out.
Hercules is skilled at, well, eating about 100 pounds of meat a day. But to see that muscled magnificence stretched out more than 1 story tall is magic indeed.
The Napoleon Dynamite phenomenon made an awareness about ligers, which made people have an interest in the natural world. It made a unicorn come to life.
Unicorns are mythical, but hybrid animals are very real. What is a mule if not a combination of the horse and the donkey? Very common. But a liger? There are only about a dozen in the whole world.
How are you, Giganto?
He's got these stripes and spots that are all over him that some young lions have, but they fade away. In him, he has more of a tiger pattern to his head of stripes that's got some spotting in the middle of it.
He doesn't have a mane.
It doesn't have a mane. It's more like a tiger. But in many ways, he is just kind of 50-50, and it's a blend. It's not one trait and another added together.
You know, they say people resemble their pets.
Do I look liger-like today?
A bit liger-like
today,
yes. These mixes happen naturally, Doc says, not through artificial insemination. Naturally in a nature preserve, but not typically in the wild.
In the wild, lions and tigers don't cross territory, so it's not a thing that there are wild ligers, although there are many wild hybrids. Wild wolphins have happened, where there are whales and dolphins.
Wait a minute, a wolphin? The Sea Life Park in Hawaii is home to what they believe is the only known wolphin in the world. Keikaimalu is the daughter of a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin. And there are more. The kama. 1/2 camel, 1/2 llama. The wolf dog. That one's pretty obvious. And the beefalo. The combination of a buffalo and a cow. And these are the shapely striped legs of a zebra, right? Nope. This is a zorse. Half zebra, half horse.
This is just a mule of a different color.
Boyd Biggs raises zorses and zonkies, or z-donks, combination zebra and donkey, outside Fort Worth, Texas.
Well, you can do anything you can do with a horse or a mule with a zorse that's properly trained. They're stronger, smarter, faster animals in my personal opinion.
He breeds and trains these unusual-looking creatures for riding and working around his ranch.
Conventional mules helped build this country. And everybody's used to the idea of a conventional mule. It's a sterile animal that can't reproduce. It has no impact on the gene pool.
They may not reproduce, but there's still the issue of ethics and evolution. How do these hybrids fit into the natural order?
Each species is, the end result of millions and millions of years of evolution, organisms that are shaped, again, by their environment.
George Amato is an evolutionary geneticist at the American Museum of Natural History.
Hybrids that are created between good species because humans bring them together and let them reproduce do not fit into the natural order.
Is he a freak of nature?
I don't consider them a freak at all because it's a naturally occurring process.
Is he going to have a normal lifespan?
Everything about him seems exaggerated. They seem to live longer, they eat more. We've never seen anything happen in the ligers except bigger, stronger, faster.
But why create these exotic species? Antle views them as wildlife ambassadors.
Hybrids have a place. In present day, their real place is awe and wonder, which I hope leads to an interest in the natural world.
I'm Vicki Mabry for Nightline in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.